In many conflict situations around the world, women, especially young girls, continue to face the main brunt of both physical and psychological abuse and trauma. From Myanmar to my country's neighborhood, the world continues to watch in horror as rape and sexual abuse is employed with impunity as a deliberate means to oppress entire populations and to humiliate and terrorize them. While the Security Council has led the way in drawing international attention to such horrific crimes, it also needs to focus on addressing the root causes of conflicts, most notably the protracted disputes of Jammu and Kashmir and Palestine. After all, one of the most effective ways to prevent conflict-based sexual violence is to eliminate the breeding grounds that are spawned by unresolved, protracted disputes. By leaving disputes unaddressed, the Council runs the risk of acting selectively and displaying a blind spot for some of the most vulnerable women who suffer disproportionately from violence perpetrated by foreign occupation. Pakistan has always remained a resolute supporter of global efforts to protect the vulnerable, including women and children. Our professional peacekeepers to the UN, including our female peacekeepers, continue to set the highest standards in fulfilling peacekeeping mandates and protecting all vulnerable sections of the population, including women, from violence in some of the most dangerous and complex conflict situations around the world.